Hi everyone, this is Ari and in this video I will share with you an insanely helpful tool for Windows users that can increase your productivity up to 3 times more than usual. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. So to download the tool, click the link in the description box and you'll reach Microsoft official GitHub page from where we can download Microsoft PowerToys. Scroll down and download the executable file. Once it's done, open the file. Now agree to the terms and conditions and hit install. Once the installation is completed, you can either search for the tool from the start menu or you can open it from the system tray icon. Now let's see the useful tools that I love the most. First, we have Always on Top. This allows you to lock the window on the top no matter how many windows are there. You can press Windows plus Ctrl plus T to trigger this function. If you are a graphic designer, then you're gonna love this. Press Windows plus Shift plus C and then you can pick any color you want. Just click on the color and you'll get the different color values that you can use. The next very useful tool is an image resizer. Just right click on your mouse and you'll get a new option which is resize pictures. Click on it and you can select the size or you can even enter your own dimensions. How convenient is that? Next is Power Rename. And the cool thing about this is you can rename your files in bulk. Now this is my personal favorite. Just press Alt plus space and you'll get a search bar. You can even perform mathematical calculations without opening the calculator. The next is the text extractor. This is also a handy tool that helps to extract the text from the image. Press Windows plus Shift plus T and you can hover over the part that you want to extract and you can paste it anywhere you want. So that's it for this video, and I know I didn't cover everything like Awake, Fancy Zones, Keyboard Manager and a few more, but I just wanted to highlight the best ones, so try it for yourself and let me know which one is your favorite. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.